Welcome to the top picks. The best umbrella stand parts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining the functionality and aesthetic of your entryway, ensuring that your umbrellas are neatly stored and easily accessible, preventing water damage to your floors, and adding a touch of organization to your home or office space, making it a crucial element for any well-kept environment. Number 5. Best Choice Products Fillable Mobile Umbrella Base. Easily move your umbrella base across different surfaces with the set of 4 wheels. When you're ready to set it up, 2-wheel locks ensure it stays securely in place. This heavy-weighted base provides a sturdy anchor for your umbrella, resisting wind and keeping your shade firmly supported. It can hold up to 136.70 pounds with sand or 94.47 pounds with water. Fill the hollow chamber with 120 pounds of sand or 38 liters of water for maximum stability. 2 tightening knobs then securely hold your umbrella in position. Perfect for any patio, deck, or outdoor seating area. The wheels roll smoothly on wood or concrete and lock in place for long, shaded days. This base is designed to fit most market umbrellas from 6 to 12 feet with poles sized 1.5 to 1.9 inches. Its contemporary design complements any outdoor decor. What we like? This option offers incredible versatility with its fillable reservoir and integrated wheels. If you need to move your umbrella frequently across different patio surfaces, this is the perfect choice. Its ability to be weighted with sand or water makes it adaptable to various wind conditions. What people say. The umbrella stand parts are made of durable metal, ensuring longevity and stability. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with various home decors. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions provided. Number 4. Best Choice Products Rolling Umbrella Base. Tired of struggling to move your patio umbrella? This rolling base features collapsible handles and locking wheels, making it easy to position your umbrella anywhere in your yard. With a substantial 81 pounds of concrete, it provides a rock-solid anchor for your umbrella. Rest assured, it will stand firm against even the strongest winds and heaviest rain. Designed to accommodate umbrella poles up to 2 inches in diameter. The adjustable tightening knob ensures a secure fit, keeping your umbrella perfectly in place. Constructed from durable concrete and protected by a weather-resistant polyurethane jacket. This base is built for longevity, promising many years of reliable use. Its clean, black finish effortlessly blends with any outdoor decor. Enhance your patio or garden without compromising your style. Measuring 19.5 inches long by 19.5 inches wide and 16.5 inches high, it offers ample space for its robust concrete filling, ensuring maximum stability. What we like? Experience ultimate stability with this solid concrete base, designed to withstand the harshest winds. If you're looking for a permanent, heavy-duty solution that requires minimal repositioning, this is ideal. The collapsible handles and locking wheels offer a convenient way to move it when needed. What people say. The umbrella stand is very sturdy and well-made, with a heavy base that prevents it from tipping over. It has a large capacity and can hold multiple umbrellas, including long and short ones. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with various home decor styles. Number 3. Maple 99 Mobile Umbrella Base. Introducing the Maple 99 Mobile Umbrella Base, designed for ultimate convenience. Move your shade wherever you need it with ease, thanks to its integrated wheels. Say goodbye to wobbly umbrellas. Our stand features 2 tightening knobs and a robust design to keep your parasol firmly in place, even in breezy conditions. This base is built to withstand the elements. Fill it with sand or water for up to 125 pounds of weight, ensuring your umbrella stays put during windy days. Perfect for any outdoor setting, from your patio to the poolside. Its classic black design complements any decor, making it a stylish and practical addition. Crafted from durable HDPE plastic with a steel pole tube, this base is made to last. Plus, it can be easily dismantled for convenient storage when not in use. Designed to accommodate most 6 to 12-foot umbrellas, it fits poles sized from 1.5 to 1.9 inches. The 2 lockable wheels ensure it stays exactly where you put it. What we like? This base provides a robust and windproof solution with its fillable HDPE construction. If you prioritize a secure hold for large parasols and appreciate easy storage when not in use, this is a great pick. Its design is perfect for those who want a reliable anchor that can be conveniently put away. What people say. The umbrella stand parts are made of durable metal, ensuring long-lasting use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with various home decors. Assembly was straightforward, and all necessary components were included. Number 2. Best Choice Products 38.5 pound steel umbrella base. Elevate your outdoor space with this elegant umbrella base. It's the perfect addition to your patio, completing your setup with simple sophistication. Crafted from robust steel with a powder-coated finish, this base is built to last. Its anti-scratch surface ensures it remains attractive for years. Secure your umbrella pole with ease thanks to the twisting knob. It accommodates poles ranging from 1.5 to 2 inches in diameter for a snug fit. Setting up is a breeze with just 3 simple steps. You'll have it ready in no time, providing stable support for your umbrella. Featuring anchor holes in each corner, you can easily secure it to your deck or patio. This ensures a balanced and stable umbrella, even on windy days. What we like? Opt for this heavy-duty steel base if you need a sturdy and straightforward anchoring solution. If you plan to permanently fix your umbrella to a wooden deck or patio, the anchor holes are a significant advantage. Its simple assembly means you'll have your shade secured in no time. What people say. The umbrella stand is sturdy and well-made, with a wide base for stability. It holds multiple umbrellas securely, even large patio umbrellas. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with outdoor decor. Number 1. Outdoor Rolling Umbrella Stand, Bronze. Tired of struggling to move your patio umbrella? Our innovative stand features a rolling base, making it incredibly easy to position your shade exactly where you need it without any heavy lifting. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to the smooth rolling wool system. 2 locking mechanisms ensure it stays securely in place once you've found the perfect spot. Don't worry about stability. This robust base can support umbrellas weighing up to 125 pounds, fitting a wide range of pole sizes for reliable outdoor shade. Crafted from durable, maintenance-free high-density resin, it's designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance season after season. Its heavy-duty, universal design is perfect for commercial patios, decks, and poolside areas. The hidden wheels offer a clean, sophisticated look. Enjoy peace of mind with its patented wheel enclosure design and easy-to-use wheel locks, keeping your umbrella securely positioned and protected. Available in multiple colors to match your decor, its rounded corners and non-marking wheels add a touch of style to any outdoor setting. What we like? Achieve a clean and stable setup with this base featuring hidden wheels and a durable resin construction. If you desire a commercial-grade, aesthetically pleasing solution that's easy to move but looks sleek, this is the one. Its universal design makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from patios to poolside areas. What people say. The umbrella stand is sturdy and well-made, holding up to strong winds without tipping over. It has a wide base that provides excellent stability, even on uneven surfaces. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my outdoor decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.